Doctrine, Instructions, and Blessings of Conference. Welcome. Eternity's Great Gifts. Jesus Christ, Atonement, Resurrection, Restoration. By Elder Gerrit W. Gong. Doctrine. With Easter joy, we sing, Death is conquered, man is free. Christ has won the victory. Christ's resurrection frees us from death, from time's frailties, and physicality's imperfections. Jesus Christ's atonement also restores us spiritually. He bled from every pore, weeping blood as it were, to provide us escape from sin and separation. He reunites us, whole and holy, with each other and God. In all good things, Jesus Christ restores abundantly, not only what was, but also what can be. Wherever, whenever, whoever we are, we share divine identity as children of the same Creator. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Instructions. His loving invitation to come find peace and joy in Him. Blessings. When we cry out in grief or joy, Jesus Christ understands perfectly. He answers the longings of our hearts and the questions of our souls. He wipes away our tears, except our tears of joy. Knowing that Jesus Christ understands life's pains and joys can give us strength beyond our own as we navigate bitter and sweet. Through spiritual transformation in Jesus Christ, we can escape debilitating perfectionism. This is an independent podcast based on my knowledge and ability. For greater understanding and knowledge, I invite you to read or to listen to the talk in its entirety found on the official page of the church, churchofjesuschrist.org.